And I do think overall that the potential is there for artificial intelligence, AI, to have most likely a positive effect and to create a future of abundance.
With artificial intelligence revolutionizing businesses, industries, and a lot more, I'm excited to show you exactly how to leverage it for your studies, helping you get better grades while spending less time revising. So stick around, because the final method especially is something I wish I had during my early days of studying. Now, I want you to imagine that you've hired a personal assistant to make your topic summary notes specific for you. This is exactly what I'm about to show you how to do for free, so that you no longer need to spend hours making them yourself. The first step is to load up Chat GPT, which is linked in our video description. Now go ahead and make an account, and all I want you to type in there is write me summary notes for, and then state the level, subject, topic and exam board that you want the notes for, exactly how I'm doing it here. And as you can see, just within seconds, it's all completely loaded and ready for me. Comment below how many hours this would save you if you started implementing this today. Now, secondly, in the past, revision flashcards have taken me tens and hundreds of hours to make, so instead, you're going to want to do this. Type into ChatGPT, write me 10 or as many as you would like revision questions for this topic. Then ask it to generate a concise mark scheme for this, like I've done below. And all I do now is that I've got the summary notes, the questions and the mark scheme, so I make it all into one document just by copying and pasting it over, and now you can just revise using this, and it's all in one easy document. Much better, quicker and accessible as well. If you want to access these documents on the topics we have made, then the link is in our description as usual. Now, I have shown you how to make the resources, but this next step helps with what I think is one of the main challenges for students, especially if you're just starting out with your study journey, which is sticking to a routine and following it to ensure you utilize this information that we've just made. Now, being around loads of students and tutoring loads of students, I feel there are two types. And make sure to let me know in the comment section which one of these two you are. Number one, are you the type of student that spends hours and hours making these study timetables but doesn't even end up following them precisely? Or number two, are you not as productive and effective with your time because you didn't spend the time making that study timetable? Let me know which one you are. But the good news for you is that whichever one of these students you are, or if you're a completely different kind of student, that this method is going to exponentially improve your productivity either way, because the artificial intelligence will make it in seconds, and it will be way better than the one that you've tried to make yourself. And therefore, you're more likely to stick to it and have a greater chance of going on to getting those grades that you all want. I first want you to tell the AI what time you go to sleep, and then I want you to tell it what topics you want to revise. So for example, I'm going to put down that I want to revise 3 science topics, 1 maths topic and 1 English topic in the week. And I want to say, please write me a revision schedule so I can study when I'm not at school or sleeping. And then you can also add in any other days and times which you're unavailable, or add any more detail into this, or even ask it to edit it in any way you want it to. So now you can just make this on a Sunday before the new week starts, and your schedule is there ready for you within seconds. And you can just go on to follow it, and this gives you the best chance of succeeding, because all you have to do now is just follow it and put in the hard work, and the grades will take care of themselves. But the scary part is that this is just a warm-up to using AI for your revision. I've been using even better methods than this, which I haven't made a video on yet. So if you would like me to make another video about more methods and platforms you can be using to save time revising using the artificial intelligence, then please like and subscribe. Let's aim for 100 likes on this video, and it'll also really help the channel to grow. And as usual, if you're interested in being tutored by our team, then please go to the video description to book a free one-to-one taster lesson. I'll catch you on the next video.